What if I told you that for just around €155, you could get a stylish phone with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, a large 6.7-inch screen, and even IP54 water resistance? No, this isn't wishful thinking, it's TCL 605, a budget phone that actually feels like it over-delivers. But is it really worth buying, or just another affordable phone lost in the crowd? Let's break it down. TCL 605 was released in June 2025, and at first glance, it looks very clean and modern. The body is slim at just 8.3mm, the weight feels comfortable in the hand at 190 grams, and it has a solid build with a glass front and plastic back. It's available in 4 attractive colors: starry black, blizzard white, quartz blue, and obsidian black, so you have options that suit different styles. The screen is a big 6.7-inch IPS LCD panel with a 90Hz refresh rate, while the resolution stays at 720 by 1600 pixels, which isn't full HD. The smoother 90Hz scrolling makes daily use feel nice and fluid. Brightness is average at 480 nits, so outdoor use might be a little tough under strong sunlight, but indoors it's totally fine. Now let's talk about performance. TCL 605 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 chipset. It's a 12nm processor, not the most power efficient, but it holds its own. Paired with 8GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB storage, you get a pretty solid multitasking experience. You can run casual games, social media, and even do some light editing without slowdowns. There's also a dedicated microSD card slot, so if you love downloading movies or games, you'll have room to expand. The phone runs Android 15 out of the box. That means you're getting the latest features with a cleaner interface. TCL hasn't overloaded it with bloatware either, which is a big plus. Camera-wise, things are kept simple. You get a single 50MP main sensor on the back. It's fast with PDAF focusing and works well in daylight. Colors are accurate and details are sharp. Low-light performance is just okay, though the LED flash does help in close-up shots. For selfies, TCL went with a 5MP front camera. It's not the sharpest, but it does support 1080p video and works fine for video calls and casual selfies. Let's move to the battery. This phone has a 5200 mAh battery, which is honestly one of its best features. It easily lasts more than a day with regular use, social media, YouTube, some gaming, and calling. It charges at 18W, which isn't blazing fast, but it gets the job done. You won't be left waiting for hours. On the audio side, the stereo speakers are surprisingly decent at this price. Whether you're watching Netflix or just listening to music, the sound is clear and well balanced. And yes, it still has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which many budget users still value. Connectivity is strong too. You get dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, USB Type-C, and even IP54 splash resistance. That means it can handle a few water drops or dusty environments without issue. The fingerprint sensor is side-mounted and quite fast, and there's also virtual proximity sensing for added usability. Now, is there anything that could have been better? Sure, the screen resolution is only HD+, the front camera is just 5MP, and the processor isn't the most powerful. But when you look at the price, around €155, these trade-offs start to make sense. So who is the TCL 605 for? It's for someone who wants a big display, great battery life, lots of RAM and storage, and clean software without spending a lot. If you're a student, a casual user, or someone buying a secondary phone, this one checks a lot of boxes. TCL has quietly released a phone that's reliable, practical, and easy on the pocket. It may not grab headlines, but it offers way more value than you'd expect. If you've been thinking of switching to a clean, budget-friendly Android phone that can go the distance, this might just be the one. Want to grab it? Check the best buying links in the description now.